Hey, it's Lonnie with SmartCert support. We're reviewing the document processing tools, and for this cert package, we have replaced the first page with our C of C, and we've redacted information on the test report to provide to our customers. In order to digitally sign documents, which may be a step in your process, you'll use the same editing tools. Clicking on the annotations enables you to, again, view the options available to you. Before doing so, make sure that the page that you want to assign is selected. You can scroll through pages using the inside scroll bar so that this page represents the page that you want to sign. I'm going to then click the signature. If you want to draw your signature, upload an image, or type it in, those are your options. I'm going to go ahead and type mine in, and I'm going to click done. On this second page, then, I have my signature. I can modify the size of it. I can place it wherever I'd like. We do have the option to add in a signature bar if you wanted to do that. I'm actually just going to go ahead and add some additional text to state my title. Make that a little bit smaller. And I'm actually also going to add the date of my signature. And again, you can move this information around, change the size of it. I now have a signature and a notation on this test report that it has been internally approved, and it's now ready to be sent to my customer. I simply just need to save the changes that I've made. And opening up this document, you'll now see your signature and information included on the cert.